Okay, the next thing we are going to do is the packing efficiency. Now, what is packing efficiency? What is packing efficiency? We know that in a unit cell, the lattice points are there and the voids are also there. Now, how much of the total unit cell? Obviously, whenever we are talking of unit cell, we are talking of only cubic unit cell. How much of the total unit cell is occupied by lattice point and how much is empty? The amount of the volume of the unit cell occupied by the lattice point is called the packing efficiency. Understood? Suppose 50% is occupied by the lattice point and 50% khali hai. So 50% is the packing efficiency. If it is 70%, 70%, if it is 80%, 80%, we are just going to calculate it, and for that we are going to use the mathematics, rather I should say geometry of standard 7 maximum. Okay, standard 7, 8, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नहीं, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं, कुछ नहीं, simple thing. Okay, so first we are going to do it for the simple cubic unit cell. I am going to do for 2 and you are going to do 1. That will be your homework. I am going to do for simple cubic unit cell and FCC, and you are going to do it for the BCC. Okay, 3 are there: simple cubic, FCC and BCC. First I am going to start with simple cubic. Please understand it. Simple cubic means what? Simple cubic means the lattice points are present in the 8 corners of the unit cell, 8 corners of the cube. Okay, I am trying to draw it in 2 dimensions. The same thing I am trying to draw it in 2 dimensions. So I am just trying to draw one face of it. If you understand one face, you will automatically understand it. One face of it, one face of the cube. Okay, so one face of the cube, it is present in the corners. So obviously I am drawing 2 dimensions. So you can understand that these are actually spheres, but I am drawing in circles. But while calculating, I will calculate it as spheres. Okay, they are tightly packed, you know. They are all tightly packed. So obviously they are present like this. I hope you understood this. This is the arrangement of simple cubic one. If you look at from the face. Fine. Okay. Now see, this calculation is very simple. Nothing difficulty is there. Please understand it. Now let the side you do with me. You continue writing also. You drew this picture and then continue writing with me. Let the side of the cube be A. Let the side of the cube be A. Okay. So if the side of the cube is A, what is the volume of the cube? Right. Therefore, volume of the cube, as I told, a simple mathematics of standard 7 to 9 के बीच में. So volume of the cube is A cube. Yes. What is A? This is A. Obviously cube. This is just one face of the cube. This is cube. This is A. Yes. Okay. Be let the radius of the sphere be R. Okay. Obviously this is a sphere. These are not circles. Radius of the sphere be R. Therefore, volume of the sphere is how much? 4/3 pi r cube. Yes or not? Volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Yes. Any doubt? अभी तक कुछ भी doubts है? Is there any doubt still now? No. Okay. So volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Now in a simple cubic structure, in a simple cubic unit cell, effectively how many lattice point is present in the unit cell? We had done it last day. In a simple cubic unit cell, effectively, how many lattice point is present? How many lattice point is present? Only one. Yes? 1/8 into 8. We had done it or not? So effectively there is only one sphere present in the total unit cell. Okay? So volume occupied, next line. Volume occupied by unit cell. Lattice point, sorry. Volume occupied by lattice point. Volume occupied by lattice point equal to 1 into 4/3 pi r cube. Why did I write 1? You understood that? Why did I write 1 into 4/3 pi r cube? Knowingly I wrote it. Why did I write? You understood that? Because effectively there is only one sphere or one lattice point. That is why the volume occupied is 1 into 4/3 pi r cube. That is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Out of how much volume? What is the volume of the cube? What is the volume of the cube? A cube. Okay. So out of a cube, how much is occupied by the lattice point? 4/3 pi r cube. Right? Out of a cube volume, how much is occupied by the lattice point? 4/3 pi r cube. Write it down. Hence, out of a cube volume, out of a cube volume of the cube, out of a cube volume of the cube, the amount of volume occupied by the lattice points, the amount of the volume occupied by the lattice point is how much? 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube. Okay. Therefore, out of 100, because we are going to get the percentage. We are going to get the percentage. Okay. So out of 100 volume, how much is occupied? 4/3 pi r cube divided by a cube into 100. Yes, that much percentage. Simple. Okay. Now tell me that what is the relationship between A and R? Just tell me what is the relationship between A and R. Come to the diagram. Come to the diagram.
2R equals to A.
Very good. So this is R, this is R, right? This is R, this is R, yes? So 2R equal to A. Yes or not? 2R equal to A for the simple cubic unit cell. So 2R equal to A. We know. Okay? What? A is equal to 2R. Yes? A is equal to 2R. Put the value of A equal to 2R and calculate it. What is the percentage you are getting? Tell me. Just do it and tell me what is the percentage you are getting. Put the value of A equal to 2R and tell me the value, because A will be cancelled out, R will be cancelled out. So there will be just a value, simple value. You can use the calculator and do it at this moment. Just tell me the value. What is the value? Pi, you know, is 22 by 7 or 3.14, whatever you take. Okay. So how much percentage it is coming? Is it coming as 52.4% almost? Almost 52.4%. Is it coming like this? Yes? Just do it. Simple. In place of A, we are going to write 2R. That is 8R cube. It will be how much? 8R cube. Okay. So R cube will be cancelled out. 4 by 3, that is 4 by 8. That means 1 by 6. 22 divided by 7 into 6. 7, 6 is 42. 2200 divided by 42. But that's all right. 2200 divided by 42. How much is coming? 2200 divided by 42 means 2200 divided by 42 is almost equal to 52.4 only, right? Is almost equal to 52.4. So 52.4% is the, what do we say it? Packing efficiency of the simple cubic unit cell. Packing efficiency of the simple cubic unit cell. Okay. Now exactly similar way we are going to do it for FCC. only thing now here, see it over here. That is the only thing to be understood. Bas, that's all. Nothing else. बाकी आप खुद कर सकते हो. Same way you have to understand, visualize rather I should say for the BCC also. Okay. See here. Now FCC, this is one face and all spheres are of same size, right? So in the center you have to put one. At the center of the face you have to put one, right? Okay. Now if you put at the center of the one, these four will be little bit away from each other. अगर बीच में एक बॉल घुसा दूंगा तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे, ये थोड़ा इधर चला जाएगा, ये थोड़ा इधर चला जाएगा, ये थोड़ा इधर चला जाएगा. There will be a gap between this. Okay. So will it look like this? Now again I am drawing it for the FCC. For the FCC. Okay. For FCC. Okay. Will it be like this? If you know the geometry, you can very easily do it. Okay. This is one face of FCC. One face. Okay. Let me just draw it a little small. One face of FCC. One face of FCC. Where at the center one is there. At the center of the face one is there. There is one here. There is one here. There is one here. And there is one here. And there is a gap between these four now. होगा कि नहीं होगा gap? Yes? Okay? Now let us do it in the same way. Same way. You start doing it. Write. Keep on writing. You do it. Practice it. Okay? Very common question. Let the side of the cube be A. The side of the cube be A. Okay, as usual, side of the cube be A. So what is the volume of the cube? What is the volume of the cube? Volume of the cube is A cube. Fine. Okay, volume of the cube is A cube. Next line, let the radius of the lattice point be R. Okay, let the radius of the lattice point be R. Therefore, volume of the lattice point will be equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of the lattice point equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Yes. Therefore, total volume of lattice point or effective volume of lattice point will be equal to, कितना lattice point है effectively FCC में? बताओ मेरे को, FCC में कितना effective number है? What is the effective number? No, FCC 1/8 into 8 plus half into 6, right? 1/8 into 8 plus half into 6, okay? So that is how much? 4, right? Yes or not? Okay? FCC का effective number 4 है, हम लोगों को पता है कि नहीं? पता है. So what is the total volume occupied by the spheres? 4 into 4/3 pi r cube. 4 into 4/3 pi r cube. Yes. Next line again, same thing. Out of a cube, 4 into 4/3. So you can write 16/3. Okay. 16/3 pi r cube is occupied by 16/3 pi r cube is occupied by the lattice points. Okay. So out of 100, how much is occupied? 16/3 into pi r cube divided by a cube into 100. That is occupied by the lattice points. Now the thing we have to know is that what is the relationship between A and R? See the geometry now. What is the relationship between A and R? This is A. This is A. Is this A? This is also A, right? This is also A. And what about this? What about this? See, R, 2R, R. Yes? So how much is that? 4R. Is it 4R? Simple as I told. Very simple. Okay? This is R, 2R and R. 4R. Okay? Use Pythagoras theorem. What is that? A square plus A square equal to 4R whole square. A square plus A square equal to 4R whole square means 16R square. Yes? Okay? So 2A square 2a square equal to 16r square. As I told, don't think we are doing mathematics. Very simple thing, nothing is there. 2a square equal to 16r square. So a square is equal to 8r square. Yes. So a is equal to what? Root 8r. Root 8r means what? 2 root 2. Root 8 means what? 2 root 2r. So a is equal to, what is the relationship between a and r for FCC? For FCC, these are all important things. For FCC, what is the relationship between a and r? A is equal to 2 root 2 r. Put the value and calculate it. Put the value and calculate it. How much you are getting? Put the value of a is equal to 2 root 2 r and calculate it. How much you are getting? Just do it. You will get, see, just as I told, you can use the calculator. You are going to get almost equal to 74%. Almost equal to 74%. Just do it. Okay, done. Almost equal to 74% you are going to get. Now your homework, you have to imagine now the diagram. You have to, only thing is that you have to understand the relationship between a and r. I am giving you for thinking and doing it. Go back to class 9 and think and do it, the geometry. Okay. If you know the relationship between a and r, you can very easily get it. Okay, because you know the methods now. So your homework will be packing efficiency for BCC. To get the packing efficiency for BCC, what is the packing efficiency for BCC? I am giving you the answer that it will be almost equal to 68%. Okay, it will be almost equal to 68%. So one more question, sometimes one more question very often comes is that out of the 3 cubic unit cells, which is maximum efficiently packed? So maximum efficiently packed is FCC, and we already know it, right? We already had seen in packing that maximum efficiently packed is FCC. Okay, FCC is the most efficiently packed. And what is the packing percentage over here? The packing percentage is almost 74%. Okay, so you can understand that solid में भी कितना voids होता है, सॉलिड में भी कितना खाली जगह होता है. हम लोग सोचते हैं सॉलिड इज वेरी टाइट, बट सॉलिड में भी बहुत सारा खाली जगह होता है. ठीक है. ओके, सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी. आई थॉट ऑफ डूइंग समथिंग एल्स, बट नो, आई वांट टू let the packing efficiency, up to packing efficiency be there. Then next day we are going to do with what? Next day we are going to do with the density, and further we are going to do with certain numericals, and obviously along with that the defects. Much more is not there, very less is left now. 2 more days we will finish up this chapter only. 2 more days we will finish up this chapter. ठीक है बेटा? Okay, so I hope you understood whatever is taught.